Hello guys, Mehul here, back again with another new video. And in today's video, I gonna share yet another slide making or presentation making app. And you're gonna say, why again? We already have a tons of things like those who are in Mac, they use presentation or Keynote. They use Keynote. In Windows, we have obviously PowerPoint. We have the slides as well in Google, right? But why yet another presentation app? Like uh and as you guys know me that I don't make a video if it's not exclusively necessary. So today's presentation app gonna have something great that you have never ever seen before in any other presentation app. So let me get straight into the video, like straight into the site, and let me show you how it works. So here is DuckDuckGo, like kind of reminds you of DuckDuckGo, right? Just think about the smaller version of DuckDuckGo. Yeah, nothing related. But what makes it different? Like make more than just a presentation, create present shares. Like now here you can see that they have used a carousel, and this is the best ever presentation of what they can do for you as well. They have presented it here like this like quite possible this is made in their own app. Here you can see, you can simply click on the button to interact with the slide, and rather than that edit your slide anywhere everywhere and display them anywhere as well. So you have all of the apps for mobile devices and desktop devices. You can have the browser, and as well as you can share them, like represent them with it as well. So that's the thing. Then you can add gifs, and you can add tons of things that a normal presentation would have. Then you have unsplash and tenor gifs integrated easily, and YouTube videos as well. Then you have codes, and as you can see, I can interact with this code and completely copy it. And this is like never before. Have you ever seen like your professors pasting those codes in the slides? How messy it looks. So here's a great way to showcase all of those codes as well. Really great thing, right? Then you can use your phone as remote control of your presentation while you are presenting in your what in your PC or in big presenter, whatever big like projector, whatever that you are using. Then interact with your audience with live polls. So how is it possible? So let me scroll down a bit. Here you can see a QR code, right? Hmm? And here you can see the polls as well. Okay. So to react with your live audience have to copy this QR code, like scan this QR code, or they can directly go into this poll as well, and they can simply choose between the option, and whatever the option they will choose, that will show up here. That's how easy it is. In do any of the apps, like any of the presentation platform have this feature? I don't think so. I really don't think so. They have included it here, like boom, another great feature, right? After code, this is another great feature. Then what next? Let's go to next. They have more. Yes, they have more. Present offline, that's quite, and click on the button. Let me go through the features as well so I can make you understand better. So what are the main features? Edit anywhere, showcase everywhere. Oh, we have seen it already, and they are private. Share standalone apps. Now you may ask, apps? What's app? Like what are the apps? Your presentation are published as a standalone progressive web app, like this. level of creativity, like level of accessibility that they have kept in mind. They created this whole presentation as a like individual web app. How cool it is, right? And then push to your GitHub as well, get the source code of your app and you can make a repo. Like, what? Really? Really? Like, if you are making a one time screen, like a one time splash screen or something, like even if you are making something like type form, make it here. Add a button, add that link that button to your Notion file or something, or some kind of form, fill out that form, then get back here, then there are the next steps. How cool that would be, right? Then there's share privately as well, export to PDF as well. Polls, I have already showed you the polls and all of them. They have Google fonts. And the best thing that they can do for me, that I can directly import slides from Figma. I can import my Figma frames and slides of such a lifesaver, because in Figma you have the control to design a great looking slide, but it doesn't have the interactivity. So I can simply import my Figma files here, so I can add the interactiveness. Really, really great. Like, who have created this? Who? And this is an open source project. Sweet thing. Like, really, they why those open sources are literally like making our life so much easier. So like they are bringing up to a level where no one could have never thought of before. So thanks to the open source community for that thing. Now, as it open source, but it has pricing. Open source projects also has pricing, because obviously you have to run the servers, run the services. For that you need price, like need money. No one gonna run it for free, right? And it's not something self-hosted. And don't try to self-host it, because I have look into their repo, and they have tons of apps and tons of repos as well. So this could get this could get really messed up if you try to like copy everything and run it on your own. Please don't try that, please. And here you can see, for community version it's free forever, so use it as much as you can. What you are not getting in community version are those like templates. You are not getting pre-made templates, share privately option. So you can obviously share other publicly or make it totally private. Share to export to PDF, that's also you are not getting. And custom fonts, okay, not that much. And integrated DuckDuckGo into your private infrastructure, that's what also not getting. And some other things that I think you may not care about. So that's it for this site. I just loved this site. I gonna use it for everything from now on. Like, whenever I am making slides, if I need the interactivity, then only. Because if I don't need the interactivity, then why? Then I can make a Figma slide and let's show it to everyone. So whatever, I really like it, and I obviously gonna use it for sure. If you know about some of the great app like this, like great apps, website, open sources, like October is there now, so there are gonna be tons of really great open source projects that are revealing right now. Whatever, if you know about some of them, or design resources, startup resources, anything in general, please let me know about all of them in the comment section. And if you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to my channel. And thank you for the 100 subscribers. So please subscribe and stay happy. Whatever, I am adding a line at the end. What? Okay, so stay happy gonna be line from her me from now on. No, I'm not a happy kind of person. So stay productive. So bye for now.